Today I'm installing some tail light blackouts from Stickerfab. I'm giving it a good cleaning with Windex to remove any wax and dirt. Unfortunately, I wasn't overly thorough and there were a couple lint flecks that happened underneath the blackout cover. Not sure if you can see it here, but the top red part of the light had separated from the clear lens. I don't know if somebody banged into it or what happened, but I repaired it with crazy glue and it seems to have worked. There's no more water getting in. Here I'm using 50% isopropyl alcohol in water to wet down the lens and the overlay, as is the preferred method of application apparently. And I'm using a microfiber rag over a Bondo spreader as a squeegee, and it worked out fairly well. I wet the rag first. I didn't use it dry. So I put it over the spreader and soaked it down a little bit. And it worked quite well. I think maybe I could have had a little more water in that mix. It was dry and fast, but it is quite warm today and dry. On this initial application, I got it a little bit high and it was sitting over top of where I had repaired the lens and creating quite an uneven area. So I ended up peeling it back off and reapplying it. Here I peeled it back and started again because I realized it was a little crooked. I think you could even see that in the video. The downside of pulling it off and reapplying it is I think that's when you pick up some lint and dust, etc.